Hello guys, this is Tony from Ralda Details, and today's video is gonna be a quick video for you guys, and this is gonna be a unboxing video. So let's see what we got inside of this box from Amazon and a few other things that I ordered for this BMW that I'm working on it. So let's see. So basically the first thing I get, or what we got here, is this finishing wax from Meguiars. So I'm gonna be testing this one out, and I will let you guys know if I like it, if I don't like it, or whatever, you know. So, and then we're gonna be doing like reviews in English and Spanish. So it's gonna be two videos, English and Spanish, for you guys, whoever speaks Spanish. So you're gonna be looking for the Spanish video. So this is what I got. This is the first thing I get, and the other thing I really want to put my hands on is this 303 aerospace protectant, something like that. So it's saying that it's gonna help to prevent fouling and cracking, repels dust and stains, and restore loss of color, something like that. So this is something that I want to try. I know Phil from Miranda Detailing, he used this one and he likes it, so I want to put my hands on this, and that's what I do. I bought this from his links, and that way it's gonna it helps, you know, a little bit, and that's how I do it. I buy things, you know, from the links from other YouTubers, and you know, that might help a little bit to them to keep up, you know, with their channel, you know. So this is the other thing I get from Amazon. Also, I get this one. This is a clay mitt. I don't even know what brand is, but I'm gonna be trying out, and if it works, yeah, I will recommend it, or I'm just gonna use it. If it doesn't work, that's it. I'm not gonna buy another one, you know. But this is what I got. Also, I ordered these handles for this BMW. I don't know if you guys being in a BMW which is maybe over 10 years old or something like that, but the handles where it goes on the door, these ones start getting kind of sticky. So that's why I ordered these three for this BMW X5. And the other thing we have in this box is this this one. Let's see what we got in here. I'm not sure if this came. No, this one doesn't came on this box, but I put it in there. I told my wife pick up this box, and then she opened up everything to see what it was. She was waiting for some stuff, so he just put it right there. So this one here, okay, you guys see the face? This one is a shirt from Phil Miranda. Also, he is Phil, and you guys know when he said, "and don't miss stuff." So this is the shirt. I like it. I think it's kind of funny. It's nice. So I want to get one of these ones. So if you guys like this type of shirts, yeah, check his videos, and he got apparel, and you guys can purchase this kind of shirts on it. So alright guys, so that's it. We'll let you guys what is my thoughts on these products, like the 303 and this Meguiars finishing wax, and also this clay mitt. So yep guys, this is what I got. So if you guys like this video, give us a thumbs up and share it with others, and If you don't subscribe yet, subscribe and hit that bell. That way you guys get notifications each time we drop a video and you guys don't miss stuff. Alright guys, take care. See you in the next one. Bye.